Hello, and welcome to Becoming a Master Designer. This series will describe how to design a stunning document using any software from start to finish. Check out our first video for an overview of the Gestalt principles. In this video about page layout, we'll look at different ways to set up your document so that information is easy to follow. Page layout refers to where you place information on your page and the arrangement of different elements on the page. In order to create a strong document, your page layout must be strong too. Layout contains lots of design elements such as hierarchy, typography, and margins. These elements come together to make up your page layout. A poor layout can make information hard to find, understand, and follow, which is why page layout is very important in design. A good page layout utilizes the Gestalt principles and combines them together to create a balanced and easy to follow document. With your knowledge of these principles, you will now have a better understanding of how to use them to your advantage. Going back to one of our Gestalt principles, proximity, it is important that your page layout uses proximity between content sections on your page so that the reader can distinguish between sections and information that belong together and those that do not. Page layout is one of the first things you should think about when creating your document, as it is a fundamental part of creating well-designed documents. Most programs offer templates that set your page layout up, but you can let your creativity run wild by choosing a blank document and designing the layout yourself.